I have been on my natural hair journey for almost 7 years, and 3 of those years, Donna's Recipe has been along the journey with me. Even though I've been in the game for a long periodically time, I am still learning. And one of the things I heard recently is that somebody shampoos their hair 3 to 5 minutes each time. So I started doing that and I absolutely love it. And I wanted to share that with you guys. So doing this for 3 to 5 minutes allows you to get a scalp massage. This allows you to remove product buildup, and it's truly a therapeutic self-care Sunday experience. This is my hair after washing out the shampoo the first time. As you can see, it's very moisturized, even though this is a moisturizing as well as strengthening shampoo. And here you can see my hair after the second wash. Again, not stripped, still very much moisturized, hydrated, and ready for the conditioner. Do you have any tips to share with your cousins in Donna's Recipe? Let us know in the comments down below.